Hello everyone, welcome back in biology class. Hope all of you are enjoying at your home. Pay attention on studies and be ready for the exam which are going to head just in the beginning of the next month. Today we will study about the Golgi complex. Dear students, Golgi complex, Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, lipochondria and dictyosome are the different names of Golgi body. Golgi body is found in all kinds of cells like prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells. Okay, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. They are absent in mature RBCs and mature sperm cells. Mature sperm cells. In these cells, they are absent. In plant cell, they are more in number, and called dictyosomes. Means in plant cells they are known by the name of dictyosomes and are scattered, diffused, scattered. Okay, while in animal cells, mostly in vertebrates. Okay, they are only and perinuclear in position. Perinuclear in position. All kinds of cells. In all kinds of cells, Golgi apparatus is found. It is more in number in plant cells as well as in invertebrates, in prokaryotes. In plant cells, they are known by the special name that is the dictyosome. In animal cells, they are only one, mostly in vertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals who have the vertebral column in them, like us. We are the vertebrates, and vertebrates has the vertebral column that make the backbone. Okay, so in that kind of animals, the Golgi body is only one, and it is perinuclear in position, means it is near to the nucleus, around the nucleus, near to the endoplasmic reticulums. Okay. Now let's talk about their discovery. Who discovered? First of all, George observed okay. Later on, the Camillo Golgi given the morphological structure, and one more scientist is Dalton, given the ultra fine structure. Morphological structure, that is how the Golgi apparatus appear under the microscope. Which microscope? Under electron microscope. So that is the morphological structure. 3 scientists. The contribution of Camillo Golgi is more, and so it is named on the name of that scientist, Camillo Golgi. The detail of Camillo Golgi is given in your NCERT. Okay. They have, if we talk about the structure, the Golgi body has 2 poles. 2 poles the Golgi body is having. One pole is called cis phase and another is called trans phase, and it is swollen at the end, having the swollen end. You are seeing here the swollen end, and these are the sacules, also called the cistern, in this way, that lies parallel to one another, and they are interconnected also. In this way they are like here also they are interconnected, and in between them there is a connection in all. Okay, they are interconnected to one another in this way. This phase is the trans phase, cis phase. Cis phase is this. Okay, they will have the smaller vesicles, secretory vesicles, and they have the larger secretory vesicles. Okay, and rest of the thing is the cytoplasm, that is the matrix. This phase is called trans phase, and this is the cis phase. Okay, these are the sacules, and these are transport vesicles. Okay, secretory vesicles. Here also these are, you can say, secretory vesicles. Both are same. Okay, this receive the vesicles from endoplasmic reticulum, and here it is transported to in and out of the cell. Okay, this is the materials are the secretions of endoplasmic reticulum are received by the cis phase, synthesis phase, Cisterni phase, and they are taken, processed in Golgi apparatus, and again it is released by wrapping in transport vesicles and sent to its destination point, whether it is inside of the cell or outside of the cell. So this how it function, and this is the structure. The diagram is also given in your book also. Okay. Now let's talk about the function of Golgi apparatus, what it does. Function. Golgi apparatus receive the materials from cis phase. Okay, modify, short, and transport to its destination. By the way of transport vesicles. Modification is necessary because if the substance is harmful for the cell, it modified from more harmful to less harmful. Shorting is necessary because in this way the body will know, the Golgi apparatus will come to know that which substance need to declare as the waste or which substances need to declare as useful. Okay. Wrapping of membrane is packaging. It also help in safe transportation by packing. That is, packaging is the wrapping of materials in membrane. Okay, so this membrane that used to wrap the materials is called transport vesicles. Okay, so this is the function. This it involved in synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosomes. Okay. Next, it forms, yeah, you can say acrosome. Acrosome arises from Golgi apparatus. Acrosome, what is acrosome? Acrosome is the tip of sperm. It's called acrosome. Okay. It forms the yolk of eggs. The yellowish part in the eggs is called yolk. In the middle yellowish part, that is called the yolk. The yolk formation is also done by the Golgi apparatus. Acrosome. Tip of arrow like tip of chromosome is also arises from the Golgi apparatus. It also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane, lysosome. It help in packing of material. By packaging the material, it safely transport from one place to another place without any damage. And it also help in the sorting, modification of materials. Okay, so this is the function of Golgi apparatus. So this is all about this Golgi body at your level. Watch the video again and again. Join the live class regularly. Hope this all effort will make you understand the subject topic during this pandemic, and we also pray that soon the situation become normal. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.